Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin's recent breakout and whether or not it has actually confirmed a return to the bull market. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future, and let's dive right in. So in yesterday's video, I spoke about this retest being in progress. Bitcoin needed to turn this black diagonal resistance into a support so that it could springboard into this red resistance area, which it did. Fantastic consecutive candle closes above this black diagonal resistance, strongly rebounding into this resistance area. And as you guys remember from yesterday's video, we're forming a higher low on the pi cycle moving average, which is of course lifting price up. But what we needed to see happen was an invalidation of these lower highs, because higher lows with lower highs can always be a precarious predicament for price action. So what we needed was a daily candle close above this blue diagonal, or at least this blue horizontal level, to invalidate those lower highs. And we of course got that. And in fact, we also daily candle close above here, but also managed to successfully retest this level as a support as well. So at the moment, we're now forming an interesting triangle here at these highs, and I'm going to talk to you guys about that in a bit more detail. But of course, this video is brought to you by bitfinex, the exchange that I'm partnered with at the moment. Crypto is a fast-paced market, and you need a fast, responsive exchange to make the most of the volatility. bitfinex is a fast and secure derivatives trading platform, which is actually 3 times faster than other leverage exchanges. And the other noteworthy features for me personally: spot trading with 0 fees on plenty of pair, a trailing stop loss feature, and 20% APY on USDT deposits. But perhaps best of all, bitfinex offers an exclusive up to $1,100 bonus upon sign-up. So feel free to sign up with bitfinex today and claim your bonus by clicking in the link in the description down below. Let's get back to the video here, because that triangle is an ascending triangle here. We're seeing price action be sandwiched by the pi cycle moving average support and this red resistance area, which of course is now figuring as a resistance, but previously it was a well-known support. We had fantastic rebounds from this support in the past, so now we just need to see some daily candle closing inside this red resistance area, much like we saw back here. A daily candle close is fine, but as long as we're able to hold the bottom of this red resistance as a support, then we're going to be closer towards breaking out towards higher levels while still maintaining that support, just like we did in the past. So of course you can see how a daily candle close goes wrong whenever we can't hold the bottom of this red box as a support. So a daily candle close is really positive, but of course we need to hold the bottom of this red box as a support. And most importantly, daily candle close, or at least be able to flip the top of this ascending triangle into a support as well, because otherwise we could be dwindling inside this ascending triangle for a while before the next breakout move. But at the moment, we are on the cusp of a breakout for Bitcoin going forward, and we really need to see that confirmation, additional confirmation that we can sustain these highs and then breach the top of this ascending triangle going forward. So indeed, going back to late September, it was really important that this pi cycle moving average holds as a support, because that would be able to enable a ascending triangle or flagging market structure. And that's what we're seeing right now. That's what we're seeing. We're seeing that consolidation in between these two regions, which is really important to just gather some steam and reaccumulation at these highs to just enable the next move going forward. And this is all enabled by the pi cycle moving average, which we've been talking about a lot recently. Of course, higher lows forming here. And it's really important to emphasize a tweet that I posted in August, so almost 2 months back, that the pi cycle moving average here it needs to be retested in the short term, but it doesn't have to. But what's more important is a midterm retest of the MA to occur, because that's what's really important in confirming a bull market return. And you can see that we're actually retesting this level, because when I posted that tweet, this is where we were. We were short-term retesting it, and then we formed this curling down formation and registered that all-important midterm retest, which is successful thus far, sandwiched against this red resistance area, but nonetheless, we are forming higher lows, no longer lower highs, which is really positive, and we might be on the cusp of forming an ascending triangle here as Bitcoin prepares for a breakout to new highs. So has Bitcoin confirmed a return to the bull market? Holding this pi cycle moving average has historically been a very strong sign that indeed bull side momentum is being sustained, and as long as that continues to happen, so far so good, the bull market will indeed be intact. But other than that, we've also seen a very positive monthly candle close. Of course, it wasn't the very best candle close that you could have got from Bitcoin, because it was around 43,600. If we got around 45,300, that would have been an even better candle close. But this most recent candle close, though not the very best, it is a very good one, because it guarantees and confirms that Bitcoin is still following through on its mid-cycle tendencies that it has seen in the past, specifically in the 2013 cycle. So this history is still repeating, those historically recurring tendencies are still going on, and that monthly candle close confirms that. So we are seeing a building up of positive things happening here. That monthly candle close guaranteeing mid-cycle tendencies are still continuing, and above all else, the pi cycle moving average holding as a support, which has also historically been a very fruitful indicator that has preceded uptrends for Bitcoin. In any case, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future, and of course, like the video if you'd like to see more content like this going forward. I'm Rekt Capital, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.